kami upo na niyo mga apo nalilipay nga umabot ko mo ini nga very important na milestone na iyo pinabuhi. We are also happy nga you're still enjoying the company of us, kami yung mga anak, mga apo, mga in-laws, and we look forward to days nga may mga important occasions sa family like weddings, maybe births or additions to the family, which we will be very happy to share with you. Kasi maram kami ang mga kalipayan, naman pagkakaurusa, ang maupay nga among tabutan, safe kami nga tanan, especially niyo pandemic, nga waray nagkakasakit, ang mga importante, ang mga gusto, maram kami. We also would like to thank you your sacrifices sa amon. I know, ako nga ni Dogata ko na medyo puri gihapon, how much more iyo, working mom, working father, tapos walo. I mean, financially, plus siyempre ang puri gihapon for running a household with 8. So, itamon wish para iyo is to stay healthy, to stay happy, and may you live longer para makita pa ninyo ang future weddings. Maybe abothan mga apo na ninyo tuhod. That is our wish. Yan. Stay healthy, and we love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Papa and Mama, and most especially, happy birthday, Mama. Salamat and raising someone as difficult as me. You're a blessing to me, both of you. You're always there for me, for better and for worse. No one really can replace that in my heart. Salamat sa inyo halawig na pasensya ako all the way. I know I made bad decisions before, and yet you're always there to guide me, to support me. I'm really grateful to have you in my life, both of you. God knows how much I love you. Take care and enjoy your birthday, Ma. I love you. I love you. We love you. Thank you.
Hi, Mommy and Daddy. Happy 60th anniversary. Stay strong. Love you.
Happy 60th wedding anniversary, Mama and Papa.
Hello Ma, Pa. Happy 60th year of your marriage. Pero ato ni-celebrate ang bugos na tuig. Yan ang 2021. Nga dahil April next year para niyo wedding anniversary. Diri lang kanan pusakadlaw. Last April 28, 2021. Actually, sobra na. 60 years and 24 days na ang iyo pagkasawa. By the way, at balitaw tika na amon nga tanan, anakon kalugaringon nga pamilya. We wish you more years of togetherness, good health. Sana waray stress na. Inaaraw namon kan Lord nga tanan nga makakalilipay, nga tanan nga makakalipay haiyo. Mga butang man, gamit, mga eksperyensya, mga happenings, passion or mga events, mga get together, gusto niyo yung get together. Iyo ma-experience pa. all the things that will keep you always happy. Also, we hope that your dream will be realized according to, of course, according to God's plan and will. At akon may sasaada iyo kung akon nagyapon git o palipay, akon nihigugmaon, it akon pamilya sugad kung labaw pa ang iyo pagpadako haamon nga tanan. Bisan pag-agi kakurian. Unta, maging sugad gihapon kami ha iyo, inabot 60 years nan sobra pa. Hopefully 10 years pa nga ni or more. No? Ang pamilya nga iyo gintukod, nakahimuhin mag-upay ngan malilipayon nga memory sa amon. Hamon nga mga magburugto. Nga childhood memories. Bisa ng mga kakurian, makalilipay gihapon. Una-unaon yan na. Maray man talaga perfectong pamilya. Gusto ko pasabot sa iyo, proud ako nga kamo naging parents namon. Makrukot ko kamo istorya, nga ginihimo nga example. Una, akong pamilya, at mga kasangkayan, akong mga kausa trabaho, bisan nga ni pati akong mga senior officers. Damo, ng dako, ang akong naibaruan, nga leksyon, may tungod yung pagpamilya. Kamu, nga akong mga kabugtuan, it akong inspirasyon. Nga pipirela, ang mga anak, yung mga pamilya, ang naka-eksperyensya, na makaupod, ang irakag anak, kas na nagahaira, 60 years of marriage, mamayla. 8 kami, nga magburugto, masisiring ko na blessed by God in this regard. Kasi nga, mungupay permi, bagunaw-naon, ang mga naglabay na panitabo, ang atong pamilya, pati na ang mga kakurian. Nagkamayad ako na huna, dito in Independencia Street, Tacloban, hasta nga nga ito kita ha, alang-alang, then dida na ha, VNG. Danay ka mo, hindi na BNG, danay ka mo ito nag-aaway. Nga, diri ako maarami nunungdan. Basta, na diri ako hadto, asya, nagawas na lako, balay. Kay, amon man lagi akong gimbabati, bisan adto ka mga kwarto. Paano namon diri babati, okay, kutay man lang natin balay. Pero at least may attempt, may attempt pagtago ang mga bata. Anyway, yan ako naintindihan talaga may mga difficulties sa pamilya, may da mga pag-away-away, kaya nananabugyapon hamon, kanto dik nakakaintindi. Sigurado ako, agree ang nga tanan nga diri moonlight and roses. Ano yung 60 years of marriage. Pero, the fact nga nag-last ka mo in 60 years, hastaya na, yan magkaupod lagi hapon, it's a powerful message and life's lesson to me. Siring pa man, love does conquer all. Damo pagad balitaw tapon karoyag sumatayo kaso bangin matakal na akon pagin emotional labi kay parte pamilya topic. You are my strength, but also basta pamilya amo gyapon itapon witness. Anyway la, sige, happy 60th year anniversary hayo Papa Orlando Veracruz Lilina ngan Mama Virginia Ripalda Lilina.
Happy 60th anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. We love you. Wishing you more anniversaries to come.
Happy 60th anniversary, Mommy and Daddy. Love you both very much. Your Daddy, I wouldn't be where I am today if it weren't for you encouraging me to take up architecture. So thank you. To Mommy, thank you for your love, support, and prayers. I'm safe because I feel the guidance and protection of God. Thank you both for being a part of my life, and I feel very blessed to have you both as my grandparents. Again, to more anniversaries to come. I love you both.
Happy 60th wedding anniversary!
We wish you. Love you.
Hope to see you soon! Bye!
Surprise! Hello! We're here. Actually, I thought of this na gawan kayo ng video for your 60th wedding anniversary because it's a milestone. Hindi man natin na ma-celebrate, at least I think and I know this is special for you. I specifically asked each one of my siblings to make a video just for you on your anniversary, 60th anniversary. I'm blessed to have you as my parents, even though you had difficulties before, you still send us all to school, and look what we are now. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful for you, both as my parents, and for teaching us good values, and to be good Christians. Thank you very much. I hope and I pray na you still have more fruitful years together. I've been with you for almost 9 months. And nakita ko yung patience mo, ma, for Papa. And I feel thankful and grateful for being so patient. And Father, I love you, even we don't see eye to eye, tell me. And I'm sorry, kung hindi kitang away, and nakadako, I know, and you know na it was best for you. I'm sorry if sometimes you feel that I disrespect you. But really it's out of love and care. I sometimes nawawalang patience ko. And I'm sorry for that. I love you. You know that. Happy anniversary again. Amid all this, I thought of all this for your 60th. At least kita know how we love you and we appreciate you. We are grateful for you. I love you. We love you. And happy birthday, Ma. Happy 86th birthday. I love you. I wish you good health always, safety, and peace of mind. Love you. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Mommy Daddy.
We wish you more happiness and love.
And good health.
We love you.